Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the 6 p.m. video. My name is Glenn, the Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. And that's right, just like I said, rate hikes are done. We got the news today about the CPI. It's softening, still higher month over month by just a little bit, but right on track for what the Fed is looking for, and that's why they haven't raised interest rates. But tomorrow we will be live with the conference or the meeting and the decision for the Fed tomorrow. Ryan and I will both be live with you for that. So I think rate hikes are done for the year. They still have say on the table that we do have another rate hike increase, possibly. I don't know at this particular point in time. I'm not fighting the Fed. The Fed's going to do what the Fed's going to do. So with that, I've got some picks that I am buying right now. And I do know that the market is starting to look for a top. But I still think that these stocks have room to run, and we're going to take a look at them right now. As we get into the software, here's my 5 stocks. No news. This is all stocks that I cherry picked from the power of the VectorVest system. You know, I like to say it's the power of the program in your pocket to be able to find these stocks. First thing that comes out to me is that all the VSTs are above 1. Okay, they all are in uptrends. RT is above 1. The relative safeties, not all of them are above 1, but that's okay because all of my relative values are above 1. This tells me that these stocks have the ability to outperform the market over the next 1 to 3 years. Quality stocks. What else do I like about these stocks? Earnings growth rates, all double digits. Earnings is the engine that drives the stock's price higher. What's the fuel? Sales. So I've got sales growth rates, and look at this one. FPH has a sales growth rate of 328%. Again, I haven't looked at any news. I'm just bringing to the forefront the fish that you need to make money going into the end of the year. And if the market does turn over, find a top and fall down, these stocks may have the ability to withstand the market's overturn. But if that's the case, nonetheless, always have stops in place. I think that these stocks have room to run. So that's what I'm looking at. Undervalued for GNE, undervalued for Abercrombie & Finch, undervalued for BlackRock Cap, undervalued for FPH. The only stock that's overvalued at the bottom of the list is OKTA. So again, that's another, let's say, arrow in my quill, knowing that these stocks are all, for the most part, undervalued as well. Now, before I get to looking at these graphs, for those of you who are not subscribers to the channel, hit the subscribe button. This is the kind of information that we bring to you on a day in and day out basis. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when videos like this come out. All right, let's graph them all. Let's take a look, put these on a 6-month graph. And actually 3-month graph, and I got the 3/8 back on here. And on here, I'm looking at earnings and earnings growth, growing. Bottom left, top right, new 3-month high, a lot of buying pressure. Could this be turning around? We'll keep our eyes on that, but I love the move above all 3 of my moving averages, and volume is good. Let's go to the next one, which is, man, that's just like a rocket just shooting off in space.
Gave proof through the night that our flag was still there.
Man, it's just going. Gotta love that stock's gotta be on the list. Hitting a new 3-month high, earnings and earnings growth rate just rocking and rolling. Next one, this is the third momentum stock, BKCC, Financial Management, BlackRock Cap. Look at that, earnings going up, earnings growth rate going up, hitting a new 3-month high. For all of you who are saying, well, I don't want to take a stock that's just hitting a new high. The stock keeps hitting high after high after high, which means it's doing exactly what you want it to do, which is to go up in price. Now, the next 2 stocks, I picked them a little differently. These are stocks that are breaking out of channels. I love that FPH, 3/8, and the 20 are all in play. Broke above a level of resistance today. Going to another level of resistance on above average volume, earnings and earnings growth, rocking and rolling. And the next stock, same scenario, OKTA, breaking out of a channel. The 3, the 8, the 20 all look good. Earnings growth. Man, I'm excited about this list of stocks. Again, I know that the market is getting to a point where it's looking for a top. Remember, looking for a top. All of these stocks are buys with the exception of one that is a hold, but I think that these are good quality stocks that are on my radar to buy right now. If you like what you saw here, make sure you hit the like button. That helps us and our algorithm to grow. Folks, we put a lot of work into providing you some of the best content that we can do on YouTube. Just let us know. Hit the like button if you're brand new to the channel. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, we want you to start 2024 on the best foot possible. So we're going to have our flagship 2-day seminar in Tampa on January 5th and 6th of 2024. And I'm inviting you to our live stream event right here, right now. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/stream to register. What are you going to get? Well, we're going to show you how to triple your fixed income investing. 3 times more. And then we're going to show you a blockbuster ETF strategy that will just really blow your mind. What else do you get for showing up for the live event? You get full access to the broadcast. You get world-class stock education. You get a digital copy of the course. You get a $100 voucher for any VectorVest coaching group, and we've got prizes and drawings for over $2,500. Folks, you want to register and do it right now.